Hey guys, I just got to the flea market probably around 2 days ago and picked up this Macintosh Plus computer. I got it for $10, which I don't think is that bad at all for one of these. Came with the original bag, everything, with the original utilities one disc. Only thing that came with it. Yeah, original bag. Everything works on it. Go ahead and start her up. Came with the original dust protectors, the one computer and the keyboard. Okay, then the familiar Macintosh beep. Start up there. And this is the one that came like shipped with it, so it came with the original plastic even for the utilities one. And then just wait for it to boot up, and then once it shows a question mark, then that's when you put the floppy in. There we go. As you can see, it's doing the question mark. The S is saying, where's the floppy? Floppy in. It shows the Happy Mac. And welcome to Macintosh. Then should boot up to the front screen. There we go. See the front screen, the utilities one, trash up there. Everything works on here. So we can go to up here. Sorry guys, that's it's a RayTube screen, so it's gonna have those lines in it. So control panel. It has everything. And honestly, you think about it, for this being a very early stage of computer, it has a lot involved with it, This is just the control panel. It has a bunch of different screens, the sound, like, just the sound. But it wasn't, you gotta remember, this wasn't that long ago. Like, sure, it was in, what, 87 this came out? But in the scheme of things, from this being made in 87, and then we look in 2013 to where, just normal laptops right there and iPhones. It's amazing how far and fast we've come from, say, this, So, it's truly amazing. But I thought this was cool. I've always been into vintage computering and such. Gotta love that sound, floppy disk being read. But yeah, I thought this was pretty cool. I ordered off eBay Microsoft Word for it, and I also ordered a game called Crystal Quest, which I used to play as a kid, so it's pretty cool. So I just show you guys, give you kind of a look around back here with the mouse plug-in, printer, or external hard drives. Yep, and this doesn't have an external hard drive. None of the computers did. And so, an internal hard drive did not have. No computers did. And they did make external hard drives, but that was a luxury back then. You gotta remember, external hard drives that you plug in cost more than the computer. Well, not more, but almost, around the same price as the actual computer, which this was $2,600 when it first came out, this computer. So, and then since it's lack of an internal hard drive, what you would do is, say you had to put this boot up disk, the utilities, and then you wanted to pay Microsoft Word, you had to take that out, you'd put utilities in, eject it, put Microsoft Word in, save it, eject it, and it's just, so without a hard drive, every single time you had to put the floppy disk in, eject, just a very long process of ejecting and putting in floppy disks, because lack of an internal hard drive. So, yeah. I thought it was just really cool. $10, not bad at all. Okay guys, I guess that is it. I'll go ahead and shut her down. And shut down. eject floppy disk. Now it is safe to turn off your Mac. Yep, and I'm assuming, you know, has all the signatures engraved into the plastic, so once I go to Radio Shack and get the tool, I'll do a video of me of taking the case apart, look at the signatures and everything, just probably cleaning all the dust off the inside and everything, just doing a general cleanup on it and everything. So yeah. Okay guys, see you later.